pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Happy birthday to you, to you. Happy birthday, happiest birthday to you, to you. Happy birthday.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Aldridge. I just want to let you know that I miss you. I hope everybody's taking care of themselves and enjoying the weather outside. Please let us know if there's anything that we can do for you. Don't hesitate to reach out. We hope to see you soon.
I'm with my friend Chewy here. Right, and we just wanted to, he was telling me to tell you how much I miss you guys. He can vouch for how grumpy I am because I can't come and talk to you guys every day and hang out at school. But here we are. So, in the meantime, while we can't see each other, and Chewy wants to remind you, take care of yourself, take care of your families, do some work so you're not so behind next year, and stay safe. We love you and can't wait to see you again. Bye.
Let's wash our hands. 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 Let's wash our hands.
All right, y'all, who can tell me what Officer Vickers' favorite snack is? Hummus. I'm just kidding, that's not his favorite snack. He don't like that at all. Any ideas?